See how you can pipe these tiny buttercream flowers onto cupcakes. For a smooth surface to pipe onto, use fondant cutouts. The colors are super important to create realistic looking flowers. The green here is moss green combined with a little bit of yellow and brown and some juniper green. The lavender is made with violet. Powdered sugar helps to make the colors stick. The lavender starts with a number 2 round and a grouping of 4 to 5 stamens or spikes. Make 4 to 5 groups about 1/4 inch apart. Now with the number 4 or 5 round, pipe a line straight up through the center with the green. Now back to the number 2 and the violet. Repeat the stamens or spikes on top of the stem for each group. This gives it a 3-dimensional appearance. Then, with the number 1 and white buttercream, make little dots on the peaks of some of the purple spikes, not all of them. This is brown yellow buttercream in a paper piping bag with a small hole cut from the tip. Place a small dot of brown under some, but not all of the spikes. The final step is a small leaf tip. This is a 352. With a very light pressure, squeeze out the tiniest petal onto the bottom group of stamens. You can do 2 or 3 petals here. Then move up to the next group and pipe 1 or 2 petals. You can do another level up or not, piping only 1 as tiny as possible. Now use the small star, this is a number 12, to pipe a simple border around the cupcake. I just taught how to make this flower in my Zoom class this past Wednesday. Imagine every week getting together with a great group of ladies and learning how to make something new with cake. That's exactly what we do every week here in my Zoom classes. This past week we learned how to make this lavender flower. Just click on my join button on my channel. We would love to welcome you into our group. Thank you so much everyone for watching my videos, and I'll see you next week.
Bye.